Today I'm reviewing WooCommerce, the popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress that powers millions of online stores. As someone who's used it extensively, I'll be walking you through the entire experience, from the first installation steps to customizing a storefront and processing your first order. First, WooCommerce is free and open source, which is a major draw for small businesses. Installation is simple if you're familiar with WordPress, and once activated, it immediately guides you through setting up your store using a wizard. That includes store details, payment methods like PayPal and Stripe, shipping zones, and basic product settings. Out of the box, WooCommerce offers a decent range of features. You can sell physical and digital products, manage inventory, apply coupons, and track orders. However, as you dive deeper, you quickly realize that many useful features are locked behind paid extensions. This can be frustrating because what seemed like a free solution starts adding up fast if you want things like advanced shipping rules, subscription models, or even more payment gateways. The plugin is very customizable, especially if you have some coding skills or use additional plugins. The themes built specifically for WooCommerce, like Storefront, integrate well and offer some design flexibility. But if you're using a non-WooCommerce theme, you might run into compatibility issues or design limitations, which means extra time tweaking your store to make it look good. Performance-wise, WooCommerce is solid, but again, it's tied to your WordPress hosting. Cheap or shared hosting can lead to slow load times, especially if your store grows. Optimizing speed means investing in quality hosting and caching plugins. In terms of SEO, WooCommerce inherits WordPress's strengths, and there are plugins like Yoast WooCommerce SEO that enhance this further. Customer support can be hit or miss. WooCommerce has a large knowledge base and community forums, but official support for extensions and core features is limited unless you purchase them. This makes troubleshooting a challenge unless you're technically inclined or hire help. Many useful links you can find in the description. When it comes to payment integrations, WooCommerce supports major providers, and setting them up is straightforward. However, configuring taxes and shipping properly can be time-consuming, especially if you're selling internationally. This is one of the areas where a dedicated platform, like Shopify, might be more beginner-friendly. Despite its shortcomings, WooCommerce offers unmatched control if you're already comfortable with WordPress. It's best suited for those who want flexibility and don't mind doing a bit of heavy lifting. For small to medium stores with specific needs, it's a powerful tool. But for users who want a plug-and-play experience, WooCommerce might feel overwhelming. Overall, I appreciate WooCommerce for what it is: a robust, scalable, and flexible e-commerce solution that demands effort, but rewards users who invest time into learning and customizing it. If you're just starting out and have a limited budget, it's worth trying, but be prepared for the learning curve and extra costs that come with scaling your store. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials.